how far wetin dey play the time baba god don say allow us see another day oya mona gather more align this matter. The matter when I just wan drop so na based on this rainy season matter, and as parents guardian wetin we need to still do for this season, because this season e no really easy like that for parents and for guardians, based on say things dey follow am based on the weather, cold and everything. Because e get some kind bad news when I just see here for Edo State like that. Pikin wey wan go write primary 6 exam last week, so erosion come carry the pikin. Even if they fit still retrieve the body but we can't lose the pikin like that. So at this moment like this, so as much as possible as parents, because school still dey session now, if you dey carry your pikin dey go school, abeg make sure you kit up well, cardigan dey, socks, wear am, at least no expose the body, wear wetin go fit make am dey warm throughout that period till you go reach house, because e dey very important. No be joking matter, e dey very important. Kit up your pikin very well this kind period. Maybe say cold no go get chance to penetrate inside the pikin body if at all. Another thing, like this season na erosion, as in like if you dey stay Naija you go know say erosion na everywhere, just dey, we don talk, we don complain, government no see lis ten, everybody dey turn blind eye for the matter. So as e be like this, so we on ourselves make we see educate ourselves. Like if your pikin dey go school as rain fall, so mostly for morning, at least try as much as possible. I no say e no easy, but na your pikin, see drop wetin you dey do. Either the mama go make sacrifice or the papa go make sacrifice. May adults fit hold the pikin and reach school. The same thing, so if rain still fall, try make you go pick your pikin for school, because most of all these children dey easily distracted. They fit just waka with their friends, they no go know where they go pull leg for wrong place, when be say they no go know. Before you know, na story for the gods will come a hear. So no be the story we want to hear like this, all those kind bad news. We go try comot am for where we dey. So as parents, as guardian, make we still try kit up your pikin when e dey go school. Even if the one wey no dey go school, the one wey dey go out, anywhere may dey go, kit up your child, kit am up. Abi how dey take talk am for Igbo, you dey get me? So kit the child up. Then situation wey be say rain fall, because the rain now na just e be like say na every second still dey fall, e no even good job, erosion everywhere. So most times all the children don't know where to pull leg. As adults, the way we as adults go take see am, no be so pikin go take see am. So as much as possible, hold your pikin hand. If you carry am go school, make it go. If you see that the rain too much, you get the way the rain to take play, except no be exam, normal class, make the pikin relax for house. Because all those kind news, I don't want to hear. We don't to hear all those kind news of erosion the guy pikin make they go school, erosion the guy pikin make they go school, erosion the guy pikin make they waka on. You know, be news maybe say we want to hear. So I beg my people, make una dey very careful this period. My people, make una no forget to continue to dey like, to continue to dey share, and still subscribe to our channel. And make una no still forget that bell una ring am. So anytime update drop, una will be there among the first people make go know. My people, una do.